Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar, and the Finance Ministry has just concluded its pre-budget meet with the infra and energy sector. Our colleague Timsi Jaipuria is joining in with more details with what the demands of these sector experts are. Timsi.
Well, that's right. Finance Minister's pre-budget meeting with energy and infrastructure sector has just concluded. And what we are given to understand from sources that representatives from solar sector, from highway sector, construction sector, from shipping sector, etc. were part of this meeting. And some of the key demands, firstly from the solar sector, were that they sought a higher government funds allocation for capacity expansion. They've also called for cheaper financing and discounted green energy loans. They've also sought for a further push for more funds under the PM Surya Ghar scheme. Also, they've sought expansion of PLI support for solar cells, batteries and electrolyzers. These were some of the key demands for the solar sector. When it comes to the highway and infrastructure sector, well, they've sought for continued higher capex allocation for highway expansion, plus also MORTH, that is the Road Ministry and NHAI, are seeking stronger funding for the new projects, especially faster execution, have been sought for greenfield expressways, multi-laning works, etc., which are underway. Also, a push to resolve land acquisition, which has been plaguing the sector for quite some time. Faster clearances of bottlenecks, that's what they've demanded. When it comes to shipping sector, well, they've sought continued support on the maritime financial schemes and also rollout of infrastructure status for large vessels. That was another request. Also demands for further R&D incentives for green shipping building technology and further support of fund allocation. Let's see how much of it actually gets transpired in the union budget this year. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Timsi, for joining in with all those important details. Of course, we'll keep watching out for these demands